Bazaar na super nagtapang-tapangan lang natin, right? Pero yun, I just wanted to try how is it mag-bazaar. So, it's already 11:30. So, 11 AM siya nag-open. So, ito yung mga binibenta ko today. Ito yung mga pre-love clothes. And then over there, yun yung mga prices for the 20 meet and greet winners. Ayan. And this is my booth. I have my pre-loved items here. Yung mga na-swipe lang. And then these are brand new items. Ayan. And then I'm also selling the Olivia lip and cheek tint. This one will go to, the part of the sales will go to Abandoned Kids and Children of Cribs Foundation. So yeah, number 31. And I also have the Mont soaps. Ayan, for today, 180 pesos na lang siya, but 230 talaga yung original price niya. So ayan. Hi guys! So look who visited me! Lynn! Follow her on her channel. Yung channel ko, Lynn Vidalion. Ayan. Yun yung line type nila. Ayan. Thank you! And here is Kim's and Joy's booth. Ayan, o, diba? May sale na agad si Kim. Oh, hello! Ayan. So, yan. You can buy. Ito, super gaganda ng, mga lashes niya. And, ayan, they're selling yung authentic na real techniques na makeup brushes and sponges. Ayan. So, go to, ito, Cam Cosmetics PH dyan. Pwede kayong bumili online. So, yan. And, ayan, mga items, makeups. This side naman si Joyce. Ayan. Busy siya, may kausap. So, mamaya na natin siya lalapitan. Hello, guys! Look, sino nagbabalik? Telly! Hello! Active ka na ulit sa vlog mo.
Kind of. Pumabalik na.
Fresh from, Korea.
Hindi fresh. Mga 1 month.
And nagme-makeup na siya, guys. So, ano bang makeup face mo? Wala pa?
Wala pa.
Pero yan, nagme-makeup na siya, guys. Beauty by Telly. Hi! Visit Mika's booth. Where's your booth? Yan, Ashley Watt, guys. Girl Stuff and Kathy Doll. And Free Love. Okay. Hello!
Try our new skincare.
Hi, what's that?
This is a low pH cleanser. And this is a gel serum moisturizer.
Ngayon lang to, no? This one is new, guys, from In Her Element. Look, iba pa siya dun sa cleanser na nasa pump?
Yeah, this is a facial wash talaga.
Ah.
You can try it. It smells so good.
Yan. Sige. Hi, guys! And sila yung mga unang winners na dumating. Your name? And, ayun. And can you show them your loot bag lang? Yes. Thank you! Ayan. Hello! What's your name? Ayun. And, hello. Thank you for coming, guys. Can you show them your loot bags lang? Ayun. Thank you! Hi, guys. Nandito na si Aisha. Nagsa-set up na siya. Ano daw dito yung bus-bus? Kailangan marami ng punang gatas at diapers. Ay, ang dami niya binibenta, guys. Kasama niya si Baby Lux. Baby Lux, hello! Say hi! Ang cute-cute. Hello guys! So, I'm back here sa bahay and it's already 8:10. So, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung sa, ang tawag dito? Sa tutorial kasi yung kasama ko nasa booth. So, wala mag-vlog. And, hindi din ako nakapag-live kasi ang hina ng signal dun sa loob. Pero yun, thank you so much sa lahat na nag-visit ng booth ko. Medyo naubos siya. So, tomorrow maghahanap ako nung kailangan kong ibenta. So, ito na si Chuchay. Kumakain siya ng treats. Hello, Chuchay! Yan, busy kumain. And thank you din dun sa mga nagbigay ng gifts. Thank you so much. And ito siya. Ayan, this one is from Danalyn. Ayan, thank you. Hindi ko pa sila nabubuksan. And this one is, I think kay Edralyn to galing. Ayan, from Edralyn. Ito, thank you. Kasama yung letter. Meron siyang love letter sa akin. Thank you. And then, ano pa ba? This one is from Tony Moly. Yung gift nila. And, last one. Ay, hindi pala. Meron dito kay... Ay, ano pala. And then, ito kay... Galing kay... Let's see. Kay Baby Jane. Thank you sa letter. Thank you. Ayan, babasahin. Hindi pala siya babasahin. And, ano pa ba? Yun lang. Ito lang yung nabili ko. Kasi nga super busy yung itong lagayan ng phone na unicorn. Ang cute-cute niya. 180 pesos lang. So, yun. Ang ngayon, busy. Maghahanap ako ng pwedeng ibenta pa. So, yun. Aside palagay sa case, nakabili din ako ng salted... Ano ba ito? Salted egg na potato chips na super sarap from Sunflower Kitchen. 220 for this size. Yung inumin na parang honey cucumber. Hindi ko siya masyado nagustuhan. At saka, masarap din yung shawarma. Yun lang yung kinain ko for parang brunch na. So yun, hopefully, bukas din magpupunta din ako sa meet and greet ni Sis Martha. So, see you there, guys. And, ayun. Bye! Magpapahinga na ako kasi may work pa ako ng 11. Magtutulog lang ako para mga 3 hours more. So, bye-bye. Thank you talaga. Bye-bye. Hi, guys! Guys! Yan, it's our second day here at White Space Manila. So, I'm gonna show you yung mga tinitinan ko ngayon. Actually, kahapon almost ubos naman lahat. Yeah, naghanap ako sa bahay ng mga pwede kong ibenta. And then later, I will go to Sis Martha's meet and greet sa may TM Calaw. I'll be with Joyce. Ayun lang. And dito ako nag-aayos actually dito na ako nag-ayos. Pag-ling ko kanina walang makeup. Nag-set up lang and then nag-ayos. Ayun. So, I'll be showing you guys yung aking mga paninda for today. So, yan. Ito lang yung mga nadala ko from the Creamy Matte Lipstick sa Maybelline, Have Biore. And ito, 20 pesos na lang. Nabenta na yung mga L'Oreal kanina. Pero ayan na lang siya, sale. And yung lipsticks kanina parang 8 yata to. Ano na lang siya, 4 na lang. And my lip radiance, ayan, 100 pesos. And of course, yung Olivia na lip and cheek tint. And I'm selling my blower for 150 and this one for 300 na lang. And of course, yung Mont. Ayan. And then, let's visit Aisha's booth. This is Aisha's booth. Oh, so, ganda. Hello! Nakain na silang breakfast. Ayan. May shoes. And then, dito sila Kim. Thank you. Second day with Joyce and Kim. Hello! Same pa rin yung mga booths, guys. Dito ako bumili ng unicorn case sa B Manila _ just go to my Instagram page and then you will see them. So, yun. Almost the same lang yung mga booths. Si Ate Suki, hello! Ayan, si Ate. Oh, super cute ng cupcakes. Grabe. Yan. Hello! Oh, diba? Bongga ni Martha, diba? First question. Hi, Mermy Martha. Who inspired you to upload video in YouTube? Lorraine Cano. Lorraine, where are you? Actually, ito. This is my cousin Frances. Siya talaga dapat yung mag-YouTube. Kaya lang, hindi siya daw marunong mag-edit. Tapos busy siya kasi housewife and mommy. Tapos, I tried uploading one video and then, parang nagustuhan naman. And then, yun. Thank you so much for supporting pala kahit hindi ako consistent sa pag-upload. Thank you. Duero. Hi, ito kasi. Lagi ko siya ka-message sa Instagram. Hello. Lipstick or lip tint? Lipstick. Ako, talaga. Mas marami akong collection ng lipstick. Araw-araw ako nag-lipstick kahit naglalaba lang ako ng lipstick.
Dati magtanggal. Pag ganun yun, tapos hindi kayo careful, pwedeng masira yung lashes. Have you experienced that before? Yung, ay, sayang na, hindi mo siya magagamit. So, just be careful. So, this is the left side. Okay? So, kapag ginagawa niyo yung sarili niyo, obviously, you need a mirror. So, kung meron kayong mirror, mas madali yung mirror na kaya mag-swivel up and down. So, when the mirror swivels up and down, isa-swivel niyo siya pag ganito. So, you're looking down at the mirror. So, kapag naka-look down kayo, nakikita niyo kung saan mag-uumpisa yung lash. Natural lash, tapos saan siya mag-e-end. Can you imagine the mirror going like this, as you can see?
2017, Brows is the soul girl.
Oh.
Okay. So, we're gonna do a brow on My Gorgeous Model, her cousin, yes. So, I got some tips and tricks that I learned from all, living life like a makeup artist, struggling, just it. So, when you're gonna do brows, you just wanna groom your brows first by using a spoolie. It's really good to invest in a product like this with an angle and a spoolie because you can draw a brow, brush your brow, and blend. Number one, when you want to do brows, is blend. Because iba yung brow. You want your brows to look like your brows, not brows that looks like drawing. So ganon. So groom mo muna siya. Yan. Brush upwards kasi siya. It's gonna like open your eyes. Just like lashes, it goes upwards.
Ano kay EJ? Si Bali na siya, lalaki.
Lalawin ba kayo?
Okay, so, do you guys agree?
Yeah!
Yes, so EJ! You are working on the night. Yes, our best friend.
So yan guys, pack up na. Pack up na ganyan. Bye Miss Gina, thank you. Ayan, Aisha, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sana nag-enjoy ka. Yes. At sana marami ka na beto. Oo, okay naman. Jensen, thank you. Kaya na. Bye na lang. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Uwi na kami. Uwi na kayo? Bye-bye. May pasok pa ako. Di ba natutulog eh? Hi guys. So, nakauwi na ako kanina. Siguro mga mag-8 na rin. Or mga 7:30 pala yun. And then, I wasn't able to update you na hindi na ako nakapag-vlog nung sa Egress and yung pag-uwi kasi super pagod tsaka ang daming dapat gawin. And today, I'm just gonna show you yung mga items that I bought for the last day of Row 101 pop-up store. So, mas madaming tao nung first day than the second day. Siguro maybe because it's Sunday and it's a family day. So, ayun. So, ito muna. And then, I will show you the loot that I also got from Sis Martha's Meet and Greet. So, first thing is, I bought another case from B Manila. So, sila kasi yung nag-ikot ako doon and then sila lang yung may pinakamurang cases na mas maganda pa compared dun sa mga mas mahal na nagbebenta. So, una yung kinuha ko yung parang pusa na style pero pinapatan ko with this one na parang constellation na style. Ayan, this is for only 180 pesos. You can also purchase cases from their Instagram account and I'll link that in the description box below. And, ano pa ba? Ayan, I also got this. This is the Roto Cool C Cube. Ayan. I love the Roto Lycee one, yung pink one. That is when you're wearing contact lenses, pag nagda-dry yung eyes mo. And then this one is just for the regular use kapag feeling mo is irritated yung eyes mo. Ayan. So, naka-sale siya. $395, $335 ko na lang siya nabili. And I also bought ito, yung Real Techniques na Miracle Complexion Sponge from Kim's Booth. And this is from Calm Cosmetics. Sobrang tagal ko nang gustong bumili nito kasi sabi nila maganda daw. So, ayan. Ang goal ko na lang next is yung Beauty Blender. Yung original na Beauty Blender. So, I'll let you guys know if this one works really well or not. And, I think this is my last purchase from the event. I got 2 shades of Air Optics colors na contact lenses kasi super crazy yung sale, as in it is being sold for like 1,495 per pair in malls, pero dun sa bazaar 300 pesos lang per pair. O diba, crazy sale talaga siya. So I got 2 shades or colors, gray and pure hazel. So, yan, 300 pesos lang. So, 600 yung dalawa. And then, it also comes with 2, tawag dito, multi-purpose solution. Dalawa na rin yung kasama niya. And I also got 2 vouchers, 500 pesos off, that I can use when I purchase in their store. So, that's it for the haul sa Row 101 pop-up. And then, I'm just gonna get yung haul ko dun sa meet and greet ni Martha. Kasi meron mga, store din dun sa mismong event niya. So, ito yung mga na-purchase ko dun sa kay Martha's Mermaid Party. So, first is this flower crown. Ayan. 35 pesos lang. And then, part of the sales will go to their foundation. Nakalimutan ko lang yun dun sa tawag dun sa foundation nila. Pero yun. And then, I also joined their Balik Aral program na where you can like sponsor a child for only 70 pesos. So, I just paid 105. And yun, bumili ka na and then nakatulong ka pa sa mga nangangailangan. And also this one, actually kaya ko siya binili kasi for the cost. I bought 2 cat headbands, super cute. This is from Kate & Co. Yung una pala, I'll be linking it down. Nakalimutan ko yung name ng shop, pero yun. From Kate & Co, super pretty headbands. 160 pesos lang isa. Actually, may mas gusto pa akong designs kaso hindi na siya available nung bumili ako. Ayan. Ang ganda. This is 160 pesos. And then ito. For this one naman, part of the sales will go to cancer patients na kids. And then these are the loots that I got from Martha's Party. So she gave me a dress. This one's really nice. Hindi ko siya maano kasi hawak ko yung camera. Parang ito yung kanyang Martha's top ang tawag. And ang ganda ng cloth. Ayan. So, dress. And I also got this one. I don't know what is this for, but I think this is like for a DIY rebonding treatment at home. And I also got a lip balm. And this one, ang bango pala, Issey Miyake Sense of Style. This is a an inspired perfume. Ayan, Issey Miyake na pabango. And ito, buta lang di ako bumili ito sa bazaar. I'm very curious with this one. This is the Cow Beauty Soap. Ayan yung itsura niya. Parang made in, I'm not sure, made in Thailand yata to. And yeah, that's it. And then I also got new lashes from Lash Lab. Thank you so much, Steffi. Ayan, binigyan ako ni Steffi na. It's called Chloe 3D Mink Lashes.